everyone, this is your Kalpana here. In this video, we are going to see rules for finding the limit of a function from limits. Okay, so here we are going to see how many types of rules we have for finding the limit of a function for a given function. So type 1. To find limit x tends to a f of x by phi of x. We call it as phi of x. Factorize f of x or phi of x and then cancel the common factor and put x equals to a. So this is type 1. Next, coming to type 2. For the given function, put x equals to a plus h as x tends to a, h tends to 0 in f of x and phi of x. Expand and cancel the common power of h or common factor and then put h equals to 0. Okay, this is a type 2 to find limit of a function. Now, coming to type 3. Coming to type 3, to find limit x tends to 0 f of x by phi of x, expand f of x and phi of x and cancel the common factors of x and then put x equals to 0. Next, coming to type 4. To find limit x tends to infinity f of x by phi of x, put x equals to 1 by y as x tends to infinity and y tends to 0. Put x equals to 1 by y in both f of x and phi of x and then simplify and then put y equals to 0. So this is type 4. Next, coming to type 5. Limit x tends to a, x power n minus a power n by x minus a equals to n into a power n minus 1, which is a formula. So we can use this formula to find the value. Okay, so we have 5 types. A very important note. So here are the results to be remembered. Okay, so first one, limit n tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by n whole power n equals to e. Next, limit theta tends to 0 sin theta by theta equals to 1. And limit as theta tends to 0 tan theta by theta is equals to 1. So this is all for now. We have seen types which are used for finding limits of a function and some useful results to be remembered. Okay, so we are going to solve some functions or some problems in the next video. Hope you will understand. Just keep practicing these results. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.